So traditionally, machinery is purchased through a capital acquisition process that starts with a request for quote that goes out to the various different suppliers that are in that business and can provide a solution to that company. It usually requires an upfront payment before work begins, another payment before the machine ships, and culminates in a final payment after a couple weeks on site for a site acceptance. And of course, the challenge with that is it's a significant capital outlay that you're paying for before the outcome is proven. You've got a couple weeks of evaluation in your facility, at which point the final payment becomes due, and you become the sole owner and the sole owner of the risk of managing that asset for its what could be 10 to 15 year life cycle. So if that machine is a poor performer for you, you have very little recourse other than to hopefully get the OEM to come back out of the kindness of their heart, or you can start paying them per hour.